Hi, this is Dr. Wooten. This presentation was supposed to be on completing an app from beginning to end. However, it's taken me an hour and a half to mock up the base code to plug into the app, and so I did record that, but I do not have time to edit it today. So what I'm going to do is a brief introduction to some of the things I've been working on this week. This is one of the first ones. This is the app inserts. So basically I'm creating functional code to do the graphics that I want to display in the app. And so right now it's a grapher that does the binomial probability distribution and then overlays on top of that normal approximation both with and without correction for continuity. So if I call this function right here, it draws the binomial. Depending upon the conditions I set, it can go one value, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or between two values, both inclusive or not inclusive. And so that's what the parameters are being fed into that. And so if I draw on top of it the normal approximation without correction for continuity, I'm off by 1. I need to correct that. And then if I correct for continuity, and so there's a glitch that I'm still working on, but my graphics are looking pretty good. And then once I package this, I'll show you how to put it into an app that can be run offline, and then you can adjust the information and I'll add the probability structures. Alright, so that's all I'm going to show you for now. So let me go ahead and save this. One of the other things that I've been working on is the Interactive Statistics Dictionary. I have all the terms plugged in. As you see, there's 228 of them. They each have their own scene. And when I run it, it gives me the control panel for each scene. So this is automatically generated by the neural network I created. So if I click on scientific method, it gives the definition. There's no interactives plugged in yet, but I'm almost to the stage of being able to put them back in. So if I go to data, it'll give me various options. And then if I go to dimensions, and so notice you can always go back to the main page. So this is the beginning of the Interactive Statistics Dictionary that will be available soon. Alright, so here's the game so far that I have. This is the Planko version of it. So when you open it, it does keep your score and how much has gone to the house so far, and I need to make that a little darker because you can't really read it. But once the bank is full, the coins will stop falling, and then we can drop additional coins. And for some reason my pusher is not working. I had that working. I think I put it out of range. I'm not going to worry about correcting that now, but that's an overview of the updated game. This is one of the interactive elements that I've been working on. It's going to be able to create a scavenger hunt to gather data in various scenes. And so right now I had it working perfectly, so you can pick these up. But I accidentally forgot to save some of my code and I had to rework it today. But basically these gemstones are spawned and you have to decide to cut the color and determine how many of each of them as you gather them. So this is the layout I've started for the interactive movie, or the movie that you can follow different characters in, Steamland. So here we have the palace. Still needs work. Basically I have 4 walls, a door, and a floor, and some vines that all look alike. I started creating other houses. I tried to create a waterway, but I haven't gotten the water to flow yet. And then I've been creating these doors because I think they're pretty cool. And so what else have I built? We have our griffin in the distance. Alright, so that's where I'm at. I'm still building the scene for the map. There's a piece of water that I'll eventually have animated. Alright, and then you saw the digital art as well as some of the other projects, but I'm going to cut it short today. So thanks for watching.